Hi everyone, today I've got the fake Samsung and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the security. As you can see on the very first position we've got fingerprint, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the Fingerprint Manager, so here we will be able to add it. Under it we've got also touch function, so you will be able to decide what you want to do after tapping on the fingerprint sensor, so we can touch back to home or take the photo. I will leave it like this. First of all, let's add the fingerprint. So let's tap on Fingerprint Manager. Here you've got to add an additional screen lock. You can choose the pattern, PIN or password. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, let's do it right now. Let me pick the pattern. Let me draw the pattern, tap on continue, redraw it, redraw it and confirm. Right now you can decide what you want to show on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, show hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on done. And nothing happened. Why? Let's tap on Fingerprint Manager again. Let's enter our pattern, please. Okay, and as you can see, we just entered the fingerprint list, so here we can add the fingerprint. Let's tap on it. Right now we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. Let me show you. It's right here, so let me put my finger on it, for example, from the left hand. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. So let's tap on back. Here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, we can remove it by tapping on delete, or we can rename it. So let me rename it, for example. Let's tap on OK. We can also add another fingerprint if you want to, so it's really up to you. Now, what's more, here we've got the Fingerprint Manager, and here we can decide if we want to unlock our device with the fingerprint. So I will leave this option turned on, so we will be able to check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.